Looking for the best electric drill screwdrivers to upgrade your toolbox in 2026? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best electric drill screwdrivers that deliver the perfect mix of power, performance, durability, and value. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, homeowner, or professional, we've got options for every budget and need. Be sure to watch until the end to find the perfect drill screwdriver for your projects. And if you want to check out any of the products featured in this video, all the links are available in the description below. 5. Dayco DKI 13 XL65G. The Dayco DKI 13 XL65G stands out as a robust and versatile addition to any toolkit, balancing professional-grade performance with user-friendly ergonomics. Operating at 220 volt, this DKID series impact drill delivers consistent power for demanding tasks, effortlessly switching between its dual functions as a high-torque drill and a precise electric screwdriver. The build quality feels substantial, yet manageable, offering the stability needed for masonry work without being overly cumbersome for standard household repairs. Whether you are tackling heavy-duty construction or fine-tuning a DIY project, this power tool provides the reliability and efficiency required to get the job done quickly. Number 4. Bosch Go3. The Bosch Go3 is a game-changer for anyone looking for a balance between precision and power in a compact form factor. Despite its small size, the 3.6-volt motor delivers a surprising 5 newton-meters of torque, making it more than capable of handling everything from delicate electronics to assembling flat-pack furniture. The dual activation mode, allowing you to start the tool by either pushing it against the screw or pressing the button, is incredibly intuitive and reduces hand fatigue during long projects. Additionally, the mechanical clutch offers multiple torque settings, ensuring you don't over-tighten or strip delicate screws. Build quality is exactly what you would expect from Bosch: rugged, ergonomic, and built to last. The USB-C charging is a modern, convenient touch, and the included bit set covers almost all standard household needs. It fits perfectly in a kitchen drawer or a glove box, making it the ultimate grab-and-go tool for quick repairs. If you are looking for a reliable, professional-grade mini screwdriver that feels substantial in the hand and performs consistently, this set is well worth the investment on AliExpress. Number 3. Deli DL-S1A1. This Chigo 18-volt brushless electric drill is a surprisingly punchy addition to any toolkit, especially for the price point on AliExpress. Despite its compact and lightweight design, only 1.2 kilograms, the 80 Nm of torque provides more than enough oomph for both delicate assembly and tougher tasks like drilling into masonry or driving lag bolts. The brushless motor is the real winner here. It runs much cooler and significantly extends the 18-volt battery life compared to older brushed models. The knuckle driller driver functionality adds great versatility, and the variable speed trigger feels responsive and precise. It's rare to find a tool this portable that doesn't sacrifice power. Definitely a solid choice for DIYers who need a reliable, waterproof-rated workhorse for tight spaces. Number 2. DeWalt DCD796. The DeWalt DCD796 compact cordless impact drill is a powerhouse that strikes the perfect balance between size and performance. Its brushless motor provides impressive efficiency and longevity, making it capable of tackling tough masonry and wood drilling tasks without breaking a sweat. Despite its compact frame, which is ideal for tight corners, the build quality feels incredibly robust and professional. The 3-position LED light is a standout feature, offering much better visibility in dark workspaces than standard drill lights. Whether you are a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this 20-volt tool is a versatile and reliable addition to any kit. 1. Makita DDF487. I am thoroughly impressed with the Makita DDF487. Despite its incredibly compact and lightweight design, this 18-volt brushless motor packs a serious punch for both delicate tasks and heavy-duty drilling. The build quality is exactly what you'd expect from genuine Makita: rugged, ergonomic, and perfectly balanced in the hand. It fits into tight spaces where my older drills couldn't reach, and the battery efficiency is outstanding thanks to the brushless tech. If you already have 18-volt LXT batteries, buying this tool-only version is an absolute steal. Shipping was fast. The tool arrived in pristine condition, and it has quickly become my go-to driver for daily use. Highly recommended for any professional or serious DIYer. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best electric drill screwdrivers of 2026. Whether you're a DIY beginner, a home renovator, or a professional contractor, there's a perfect tool on this list for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech and tool reviews. And remember, all the product links mentioned in this video are available in the description below for you to check out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.